On number 1, we get to play the matching game. It says match each trig function with one of the graphs. I'm going to start with the easiest one, which is the tangent function. Okay, so for all 4 of these, they have a little drop down box, which, I highlighted right here, tangent, and then you just pick which graph it goes with. And then I just remembered that the basic tangent function goes through the origin. It goes like this. It's got that weird shape. It's like a SE shape, and it goes to the origin. So this one is number 2. And then, what else did they give us here? Then you've got cotangent. Well, the cotangent would be the reciprocal of that, which ends up being the inverse. So it's like it gets flipped and rotated. Let's see. How does it flip? It flips around the dashed line. Let's see. How they got this going here? Cotangent of x would be well, the cotangent is reciprocal, so it goes downhill, which would be this one here. I'm trying to remember why it got shifted to the right, but because instead of going through the origin, it's now going through pi over 2, which means that it had to shift around that point right there. Did it swing around that one? Yeah, it had to swing around somewhere like that to get it to go like that. Anyway, I just know it's that one. Because if tangent is the green one and has that weird SC shape, cotangent's a reciprocal, so it's got to be the reverse SC shape, which is that one. And then the other 2 are reciprocals of, let's see, this one here is cosecant, and remember that cosecant is 1 over the sine. And the sine function, the basic sine function starts at the origin, goes, what in the heck? I don't know how that happened. Goes up, goes down, and it lands like that. So when you do its reciprocal, the reciprocal ends up flipping. I'm going to do this in pencil so that it's looking something like this. And like that. And still, though, the y-axis becomes an asymptote now. So that one's going to be this one here. Yep. So 3 is this one. That one's 3. And then I forgot to write my number down. And then the pink one is 4. Which, by default, leaves me with the last one, which is the secant. And remember that the secant is 1 over the cosine. And if you remember, cosine starts here and goes down and then comes up and finishes that way. So if you reciprocal that, it's going, because I really actually need the other side because it's going like this too. So the reciprocal of that is going to be like this and like that. And that ends up being the orange one. You can see it right there. It's reciprocaling over. And so that one's number 1. And I went back. I've already done this. And you can see I've got 3, 1, 4, and 2, and that does match 3, 1, 4, and 2. 3, 1, 4, and 2. Isn't that what I said? 3, 1, 4, and 2. And there's the green box. So, yay.